Check it out. Tons of cars arriving at Fontana Nissan just so you guys can come down and buy them. And you guys, we just wanted to show you real quick what's going on. Jessica Q here, and we're at Fontana Nissan, and today we're going to actually be talking about the Frontier, right?
Of course, we have many here in stock, starting from our base model, S-King cab. We also do have crew cabs, SV models with a little bit more equipment now available. And just as you saw rolling off the truck, we now have a Pro X available.
Wonderful. So can we take a look inside one of these cars? Yeah, okay, well, we'll walk around.
We'll walk around, yeah, of course.
Yeah.
So Nissan has a lot of safety features now coming standard on all of our trucks, which include your Nissan 360 safety shield. So now, even though you're driving something that would be more useful for a truck or even going on the road, you have that peace of mind when it comes to safety technology.
Yes, I love it. Let's take a look of to the back of the truck. Let's see. So guys, whether you're, this is like just you're a truck person, you want a truck, maybe it's for business purposes, the Frontier is an amazing truck. And look at it. Ooh, I like it. So this is a new body style too, huh?
Yes, completely redesigned interior and exterior. A lot of them do come with the bed liner now, the towing available as well. So there's a little bit of everything for anyone that's looking for a truck.
Towing. Very nice. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. So any deals going on, or like anything going on?
Yeah, of course. I mean, we can put all the programs together for you guys. There is, of course, special financing available, which you guys can go ahead and check out this. As you can see, a lot of inventory right now, so we'd be more than happy to put everything together for anybody who's looking for a vehicle.
Oh, all right, guys. So come on down. And whatever your credit is, don't worry, they work with a lot of different lenders. So they will work really hard to try to get you financed and get you a great deal, interest rate. And yeah, and when you come down, you're gonna ask for
Bernice.
Yeah.
And just one more thing, we always mention our lifetime warranty. We definitely can't forget about that. All of our new and most of our pre-owned vehicles come with our complimentary lifetime warranty and a 10-year roadside assistance. So take advantage of that.
Yes. All right. Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Bernice. So you guys heard it here. Fontana Nissan. They've got the trucks, they've got the cars, new, pre-owned. They have the lifetime warranty, roadside assistance, so many different things here at Fontana Nissan. And one more thing before we go. You also get a $50 gas card for just coming down to test drive a car. So come on down to Fontana Nissan. I'm Jessica Q.
And I'm Bernice.
See you guys later.